MSI gaming laptops need no introduction to gamers for the portable gaming experience, as they usually come with top-tier specs, superior durability, great battery life, and an overall refined user experience. All of these things makes them the go-to laptop for almost any gamer. Considering its immense popularity, MSI has a lot of gaming laptops that vary in specs, size, and user experience. So, we've made a list of the top 5 best MSI gaming laptops in this video.
Welcome to Techfluencer, where we test and review countless tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our tech expert team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends and advancements. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description.
Starting at number 5, we have the MSI GF75, an affordable gaming laptop that offers upper mid-range performance from its thin construction. This entry-level lappy comes with up to an i5-10308 CPU paired with the GTX 1650 GPU, which makes great use of the beautiful Full HD screen that enhances the flow of raw power with a solid 120Hz refresh rate. Along with that, its narrow bezels on the screen panel provide an incredibly immersive experience for your gaming, which is pretty much missing on the budget price tag gaming laptops. And with up to 8GB of high bandwidth RAM and 512GB of PCIe NVMe storage, you never have to worry about hardware-heavy AAA titles that usually leave other computer setups struggling in this price range. But if needed, you can also go for the available MSI GF75 Thin series that offers up to 32GB of RAM, as well as RTX 3060 to meet the need of your power-hungry applications. Furthermore, it also comes with all the essential ports such as USB Type-C, USB 3.2, HDMI, and more to ensure you have the power to stay connected with your world. All this makes the MSI GF75 an obvious GTX 1650 laptop recommendation to anyone. Up next at number 4, we have the MSI Plus GL66, an odd beast that adheres to old-school gaming laptop styling, all plastic and chunky aesthetics, while also packing some of the latest components. Considering its size, the Plus GL66 surprised us with a screen that has a refresh rate of 144 Hz to ensure you can see every frame of the game with minimal lag. In terms of raw power, it has a powerful 11th Gen Intel Core i7 processor and is incredibly paired up with up to 3070 series supercharged GPU from Nvidia, so nothing can bother you when you're playing the most demanding games. Moreover, MSI Plus GL66 has up to 512GB of NVMe SSD support with up to 16GB of 3200MHz DDR4 memory, where you can store your games, highlights, and clips securely. Plus, you can enjoy gaming on the go since this laptop is designed to be thin and light for gamers to carry around every day for games, study, or work. That is surely a wow fact for a gaming laptop. When you're looking for power in a comparatively small footprint, you really don't need to look any further than the compact yet powerful MSI Plus GL66 gaming laptop. Coming in number 3, we have the MSI GS66 Stealth, a practically designed gaming laptop that comes with a great display and a higher refresh rate in its class. It features a 15.6-inch full high-definition display that delivers 1080p resolution to showcase your games and movies with impressive clarity. However, MSI GS66 Stealth also delivers up to 360Hz refresh rate, letting you react faster while playing your beloved multiplayer games. You can have a comfortable RAM size of between 8GB to 32GB, which allows you to smoothly run multiple power-hungry applications and browse the tabs without having any issues. It also features Nvidia RTX 3080 to boost up your gaming and editing level, allowing you to stream your favorite games with higher graphics quality. Furthermore, this gaming laptop is equipped with a 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD for fast boot up, ample storage space, and speedy data transfer. Aside from that, the GS66 Stealth weighs 4.63 pounds only, which is similar to the Plus GL66, but for spectacle design, your GS66 feels lighter. Altogether, to do your multitasking, gaming, and video editing, the MSI GS66 Stealth offers class-leading performance with a high-end processor and high refresh rate. And number 2, we have the MSI GE76 Raider, a masterpiece gaming laptop that comes with an Intel 12th Gen processor, letting you enable the ultimate power of performance during your gaming session. This gaming laptop comes with a 17.3-inch full high-definition display that has up to 360Hz refresh rate to deliver incredibly smooth and responsive gameplay, making every moment more enjoyable. It's equipped with Intel 12th Gen Core i9 processor that delivers maximum turbo frequency to push the gaming laptop's performance to its limits. Moreover, with 4800 MHz 64GB of RAM, this supreme gaming laptop from MSI lets you unlock the power of multitasking along with high-end gaming. In addition, with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 Ti, you can get immersive graphics, realistic ray tracing, as well as NVIDIA DLSS to increase performance without sacrificing quality. Not only that, the included 1TB NVMe SSD with a dedicated M.2 slot ensures you can install all your favorite games with most without worrying about short storage. For the most part, to boost your gaming experience and work capability, the MSI GE76 Raider allows you to level up by delivering high performance in a lightweight form factor. And finally, at number 1, we have the Stealth 15M from MSI, the thinnest gaming laptop they have produced so far with next-gen Intel and NVIDIA components. Among all of MSI's gaming laptops, Stealth 15M holds the crown as it's powered by 11th Gen Intel i7 processor combined with RTX 3060 graphics, and for that, it has earned the Best of IFA awards from the Android Authority. It has a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with a refresh rate of up to 144Hz to mesmerize you with buttery smooth frames and enable you to react quickly in intense in-game situations. To make the performance more smoother, it supports 32GB of RAM and 1TB NVMe SSD is given, so you never face low storage issues and enjoy buttery smooth gaming. Also, it has an RGB Backlit keyboard that goes along quite well to maintain the overall gaming theme. It incorporates multiple next-gen ports such as Thunderbolt 4, USB-C, and USB 3.2 Type-A connect to gaming peripherals simply and easily. Overall, the Stealth 15M looks and feels elegant, performs promisingly, and displays brilliantly, making it a wholesome gaming laptop. So, that was all about the top 5 best MSI gaming laptops just for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.